next thing we got is we ran a code on this Jeep, low voltage code. So we're going to change the battery. Well, it's got these ends on it, and if you'll look right here, they're kind of loose. They're loose in here. They just pull right on out. So we're going to swap these out, and we're going to put better ends on here, and it's going to give him a quick attachment in case he wants to add some light bars or any kind of accessories like that. First, we're going to get this old stuff off of here, which is, oh my gosh, it's so loose. Alrighty. It's a lot to these sometimes. Let's go on and get that out of there. Okay. So brittled, brushy looking. I'll pull this back like this. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna try to clean this up as best we can. Because it is pretty rough shape. And we want to make sure we get a really good connection. Takes a tough guy to cut these. Good gracious. Okay. I'm going to open up a piece of heat shrink and slide down on this. We'll use it to cover it up when we get done. Try to make it nice and neat as possible anyway. All right. That's just right there. Okay. Now, I'm going to spread these just a little bit so they'll take some of this solder. Run that down in there a little bit. All right. Get me a stick. I'm gonna get me a stick. I'm gonna go and pin that down a little bit. That should hold it. Okay. Got to do what you got to do to make you hold everything up right. I'll let that joker quit flaming a little bit. Now, if you must know, this is going to be pretty dadgum hot. So you might not want to touch it with your bare fingers. That's for certain. Come on this side. Do not have the proper crimpers for this right here. Don't know that they're is as such. Sure, there is somebody out there. Comment, tell me what the proper ones are. I don't know. I'm just doing this the best you can for somebody in an average shop, you know, somebody with average tools. Now let's get that hot and go ahead and finish soldering it up. Good job. That looks pretty good. Okay. Now we'll let that firecracker cool off and we'll go to another one. All right. Now we got new batteries, connectors. Everything's on here tight. Everything looks good. Let's go on and snap this back on here. Actually, let's cut that off because we want to know that that's power. This here, for some reason, is wanting to come out. So we probably ought to take a look at that. Okay, I see why now. It's just gonna be that way. But the connection's much better now. Everything is soldered in. All the connections are tight. We'll give it a crank and we'll make sure that code's gone. Kill it. There you go. There you go. Crank good. All right. Ooh. Dang, your seat don't lift up now?
No, sir.
Huh?
She sits right there. Oh, don't break my seats now.
I'm gonna try not to.
Spent $300 on them
I
seats.
did spend $300.
Well, they're nice seats.
Obviously not where we headed.
You need a, oh my goodness, handle in here. Take it right. Well, this will conclude the build on the 96 Jeep Cherokee XJ. New fuel pump install and replace the battery and battery terminals. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the build. Come back for more. All right.